Welcome to the installation guide for the Entría single-door controller, Mullion by CellGate. Inside the box, you'll find the Entría unit, a 12-volt power supply, and a customer information packet. For wiring, use a 6-conductor shielded cable for the main device, and if you're adding an optional reader, use a 4-conductor shielded cable. Remember, this is a DC-powered system, so always match the correct polarity and keep wire runs under 60 feet for best results. Follow the wiring overview in the guide. If you're adding an additional Wiegand device, it must have its own power supply. Connect your door control for either normally open or normally closed operation, whether dry contact or wet contact relay. For wet contact relays, you must install a diode to maintain the warranty. Refer to CellGate's diode instructions for proper installation. Now let's mount the device. Mark your holes, drill them, cut the wiring hole, and secure the mount to the wall. Slide the Entría unit into place and fasten it with the screws provided. Your Entría single-door controller is ready to go. For help, call us at 855-694-2837, option 2, or visit cell-gate.com.